Are you ready to buy a home, but the down payment is the only thing standing between you and the front door? It's a common challenge. For many aspiring homeowners, saving up for that initial chunk of cash, plus closing costs, can feel like an impossible climb. That's where down payment assistance programs, and specifically the Patriot Plus down payment assistance program, come in to level the playing field. So, how does Patriot Plus actually work to turn that dream into an address? Let's break it down simply. Patriot Plus is designed to help make homeownership more accessible, typically in a specific region, by providing direct financial help for your down payment and closing costs. The key thing to know is that Patriot Plus often comes as a grant. Now, why is a grant exciting? Because a grant is essentially free money that you generally do not have to repay. Think of it as a gift toward your home purchase. In many cases, eligible borrowers can receive a substantial amount, sometimes up to $10,000 or more, to put towards their upfront home buying costs. This assistance can be used to cover all or part of your required down payment, or it can go toward other expenses like title insurance, recording fees, or various closing costs. To qualify, you'll need to meet a few core requirements. These usually include: first, the property must be your owner-occupied primary residence. This program is designed to help people live in the home they purchase, not for investors. Second, there are often geographic restrictions. Patriot Plus might be tied to specific counties or areas to encourage homeownership in those communities. You need to confirm your desired home location is covered. Third, while Patriot Plus helps with the down payment, you still need to qualify for the first mortgage loan through a participating lender. They'll review your income, credit score, and overall financial stability to ensure you can comfortably handle the monthly mortgage payments. The process is straightforward. You connect with a participating lender who offers the Patriot Plus program. They review your application to determine your eligibility based on the program's requirements. Once you're approved for both the main mortgage and the assistance, the grant funds are applied on your behalf at closing, drastically reducing the cash you need to bring to the table. This is a game changer because it removes the biggest hurdle for many first-time and even repeat buyers. It allows you to move into your new home sooner, without completely draining your savings. If you've been sidelined by the down payment barrier, the Patriot Plus program could be your path forward. Reach out to a local participating lender today to confirm the current terms and see if you qualify. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.